Good evening, all. Good evening. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a killer Sudoku in the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Sunday, July the 27th, 2024. And I've already done one puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, the binary puzzle with 4 stars, but you are interested in this one. The Killer Sudoku, yes, the Killer Sudoku number. This will be number 8976. And this one has 2 given numbers. Given number 1. In this triple box of 16, that means that those 2 boxes together should be 15. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. The second given number is a 7 in this triple box of 22. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 15. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. What you need to know is, well, for Killer Sudoku, I need my average time 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will be difficult, the first strategy, to look for a big square with 1 sharing box. Well, my next strategy is to look for wait, what you need to know is also a total sum. The total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Well, this row is complete. If you count all these numbers, the total sum will be 45. 20 plus 11 is 31, plus 14 is 35. Yes, correct. But I'm looking for a row with 1 sharing box, or a column with 1 sharing box. Alright, next strategy is to look for boxes with 1 combination. For example, the box of 3, only 1 combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Well, we have 1 there in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Let me scan. The box of 3 again, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. It's equal to 17. The box of 4, only 1 combination, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a 1 in this big square. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now this big square has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Let me continue first for looking at boxes with only 1 combination. Here also the box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. All right. Let me go back to this big square. All right. 10 plus 17 is 27, plus 4 is 31, plus 2 and 7 is 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 31 will be 40. 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. This box will be a 5. In the box of 7, the combination will be 5 plus 2. Alright. Well. My next strategy is to look for boxes with two combinations. The box of 5 has two combinations. 2 plus 3 and 1 plus 4. Well, the 1, I cannot use the 1 in the box of 5 because we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Cannot place the 1 there because we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 and the 4 is not the combination, so should be 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Okay, and now the box of 15. Two combination for the box of 15. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 7 is already used in the last row, so I cannot place the 7 plus 8. So we 9 and the 6 should be here. Okay. It means we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the last row. So this box can be 9 and more. That box will be a 9. This box will be an 8. So two numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 5. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. Alright. Alright. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so the last column. The only 3 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. And I cannot place the 2 here in the box of 14, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 12. 12 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9, so the 2 should be here. In the box of 9, combination will be 2 plus 7. Okay. 5. Well, let me continue with the boxes with two combinations. Let me see. Well, I cannot find. 7 5. Okay. I'm thinking. Well, it will be difficult. Okay. I see here the first row with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I won't know what number this will be. So 13 plus 16 is 29. 29 plus 10 is 39. 39 plus 2 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. This box will be a 4. In a box of 10, combination will be 4 plus 6. Then we have two numbers left. In the last column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 14. Otherwise, the combination will be 3 plus 11. 11 is not allowed, so the 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. In the box of 15, in the box of 14, the combination here will be 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Alright. So 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers to 1, to 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 and a 7. Well, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, to 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 there in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 6 plus 7. We already have 7 in this big square. So the 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. In the box of 13, combination will be 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. And this is a penta box here. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, to 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 here in the box of 10, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Well, the 2 is already used in this first row. So the 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. In the box of 10, combination will be 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Okay, the box of 15. Well, there are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 7 plus 8 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 7 is already used in the first row, so I cannot place the 7 and 8 there. So it should be the 9 and the 6. 9 and 6. Okay. Here we have a pair, 9 and 6. Okay. Then, let me see. Which number? 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Combination here will be in the box of 13, 5 and the 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5, 5. 7. I need to think. 9 and 8. We already have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. 12 minutes already passed. Okay. Need a 2 here. Well. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11 because then the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed, so the 1 should be here. In the box of 10, the combination will be 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 5, of course. So the 9 should be in the box of 12. Combination will be 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Need a 3 there. So here, 3 and a 2. Well. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left, and 5 should be here or there. Cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so the 5 should be there. In this triple box of 17, we have here 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 4 is equal to 17, okay. 4. Well. Need a 1, need a 2, and I need an 8. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 8. Can I place the 8 in the box of 7, of course? Should be in the box of 10. Combination 8 and a 2. 8 and a 2. We have an 8 in this second row. No 8 there. 8 should be in, a 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square. Number 1 in the box of 7. The combination will be 1 plus 6. Okay. 6, need a 6 here. Yeah, 6 in the first, in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12, of course, otherwise I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed, so it should be here in the box of 11. The combination will be 6 plus 5. Now we have a 5 here in this big square, so this box can be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 4. All right. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. Cannot place the 6 in the box of 12. Told you earlier. So the 6 will be here and the 7 goes there. In the box of 12, combination will be 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Then 4 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 will be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. Well, can I place the 7 in the box of 7? So the 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. In the box of 7, the combination will be 3 plus 4. In this triple box of 21, we have a 6 and a 7. That means 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. In the box of 10, combination will be 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. In the box of 11, combination will be 4 plus 7. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. Yeah, I need a 7 here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left, the 7 should be here or there. I cannot place the 7 here because we have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. So the 7 should be in the box of 11. Combination will be 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. In the box of 13, combination will be 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 9 and a 6, we already have a 9 here in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 9 and a 6, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Let me double check. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 3 plus 6 is also 10. Double 10 will be 20. Correct. In the box of 5, the combination here will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then 2 numbers left in this row. Third row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. In the box of 10, combination will be 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. In the box of 10, the combination here will be 3 plus 7. 7 and 4, we have 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish. 18 minutes. Well, this one quick to solve. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I will do the fix. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.